Hi and welcome to my channel, Database Tips and Tricks. In this video I want to show you how to load employee tax table and implement it in Excel. Okay, so the idea I got from this video came from an email I received this morning. So let's get going. Let's go to the email. Let's open the email. So this is from a country called Gambia. So these are the tax rates that work according to the income limit. So the first thing we're going to do is go and open an Excel sheet. So let's go to our Excel sheet. So we're just going to make columns. First column is ID. We're going to have the name of the employee and we're going to have income. Okay, in database, I just mentioned in between all the time, the naming convention, lowercase, singular, no spaces, and then we just click anywhere inside the data, Control L to create a table. I always say, always create tables in Excel. That's the only way I work. Has got headers, click OK. Always name your table. Click anywhere inside the table. Table design. Naming convention, lowercase, singular. So we're going to name this payslip. Payslip. Okay, so we've got our database started. Now we want to apply those text tables. So we want to be able to put the ID, the name, and the income, and then must have another column that calculates the text according to those text tables. So let's go back to our email. Let's use AI to help us quickly. So open Microsoft Copilot, start a new chat. Let's tell it what we want. Please create a an Excel Power Query code to calculate tax according to this email. I have a table named payslip with columns ID, name, income. Hit enter. Let's see what it gives us. Right, in a split second we have our code to load. Let's click copy. Let's go back to our Excel file. Let's go to data, get data from other queries, blank query. Advanced editor. Select all, Control A, Control V to paste the code. No syntax errors. Click done. Close the Power Query screen. Keep the changes. Right, it opens a new sheet with your result, with your answer. So let's just move it to the end. I always like the answer at the end. So we've got our sheet, our input sheet, and it's going to give us our answer in this sheet here. So let's type in data, ID number 1, name 1, income tax, let's make it 36,000, ID 2, name 2, make it 40,000. Let's create more fake data, drag it down. Let's go to our answer sheet, refresh. Let me just quickly click here, refresh. There we have our answer in a few seconds. So we've got our query sheet, I don't know what you call it, like your input sheet. Let's rename it. Input result. We're going to rename this result. Rename result. Okay, so let's go and delete all these columns, rows, and just leave one row. Delete table rows. Go refresh our query. Go to result, refresh. There's our answer again. Let's go back and put our many more rows 2, let's make it 50,000. Let's create a whole lot of rows this time, see how quickly it calculates it. Okay, 194 rows, results, refresh. Amazing. Got all our calculations done according to this text table received an email. So I always say, let me just give you some database tips and tricks. You never want formulas in any of your sheet cells. It just causes drag on your database, because this is tiny. You know, eventually your database has 300 tables with hundreds of thousands of rows. So it's better to, whenever you're working with a database, act as though you're working with 1,000,000 rows and you know, set up your database accordingly. But I think you'll see this is amazing to be able to, using AI plus Excel Power Query, to be able to receive an email in the morning and apply the tax rates immediately. So that's all for this video. If you like what you see, please click the subscribe button below to receive future similar videos, and thank you for watching.